Frost advisory in effect from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. What? Temperatures as low as 33 will result in frost formation. Where? Erie, Cuyahoga, Lake, and Ottawa counties. When? From 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. Impacts. Frost could harm sensitive outdoor vegetation. Sensitive outdoor plants may be killed if left uncovered. Additional details. The frost will be confined to areas inland from Lake Erie. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold.